Hey, what's going on, guys? Slightclickers here, back in that video. Today we're playing some PC building simulator. So, I had done a bit of work, unfortunately, and I thought I pressed the record button, but apparently I didn't. So, A, I was just talking to myself. B, it didn't record properly. So, I've done a bit of progress. I will just show you. In my shop, I bought... I got to $1,000, which is nice. So in tools, I bought this auto connect tool, which automatically connects the USB cables and stuff, which it's awesome. Also, this PC is ready. This one wanted an upgrade to 4 gigs of RAM, which it already had a 2-stick in there, so it was pretty easy. I had a lying around one. It just needed to be benchmarked. This one needs a new MOBO. And it said it was Skylake. That's all it said in the note. It says they think it needs a new MOBO. And it said it needed a Skylake. And the only Skylake, or the only board that's available was a Skylake. So I knew I didn't need anything different. Because I might have needed like an AMD board. Or, sorry, AM4 socket. But yeah, I gotta pull out the CPU. Gotta pull out the RAM. Gotta pull out the graphics card. And that's pretty much it. And then the actual unplug the cables. And the actual MOBO needs to come out as well. Which is a bit annoying because there's like a bunch of screws. That's 2, 3, 4, so there's going to be 12 total. Because I got to do the standoffs as well. Unfortunately, because I don't know if each motherboard comes with like its own specially designed standoffs, but this game requires you to undo them. Install. Motherboard. That one's broken. And used. So used and broken. I like how they have added dust floating in the air. It's pretty cool. I think there's one just flying around. Okay. I need a graphics card next. Let's just install that. You see how that dot instantly put in the power supply was in and that was in? It's great. It's just, it saves me from having to click back and forth. I'm looking for CPUs or processors. Here it is. Open CPU shield or the CPU clip. And then tools, thermal paste. Or you can close the lid first. That'd probably be a good idea. Why can't I close it? Oh, that's weird. I have to be in the remove to close the shield. Huh. Next, the CPU cooler can go back on. That's a pretty cool cooler. Then I can go ahead and install the memory again, which is these. Unclip, unclip. I like to do both tabs on each side. Oh yeah, by the way, by the time you see this, hopefully the lag on my recording should be fixed. I basically just downed the bitrate and lowered the FPS by 5 FPS, so I'm shooting at 25 rather than 30. 30 was still a bit much for my computer, unfortunately, so I don't have the settings quite right. I had watched a tutorial on it, and I don't think they got the settings quite right. So, and I can't figure them out, so. I am shooting at, or I am like recording at a higher FPS though, so than before. Okay. Missing cables. What is it missing? Ah, it's missing the power switch to Mobo. Okay. There we go. Ready to boot. Lead by door. Okay, so then I can go ahead, close out of that. I guess I didn't need to close out of it, but whatever. Collect, discard, collect, discard. Level up. Ryzen quad cores, bunch of other stuff. New terabyte drives. Cool. What am I now? I think I leveled up a little bit. I'm now a level 3. Okay. I need more hard drive space to prep for movie events. Could you increase this to suit another terabyte? Hmm. 1,550. Upgrade required. Accept more RAM. Accept to a new hard drive. Upgrade so I can sail. Play the sailing simulator at recommended spec. Alright. Job requires to use the Will It Run program, similar to Can You Run It? That can be purchased from a shop, install it on a PC, check what specs are required for the game, if your PC will run it. Actually, I think I can get Will It Run if I, on this computer, so I don't need to do anything, if I go here. Do I seriously have to pick up my PC? Put it here. Install USB. Oh, I guess once it's installed, I can just use it as normal. Okay. Ooh, whoops. No, whoops, not shop. It's add or remove programs. What am I doing? Oh, I can only add 3D Mark, virus scan, and lighting. Oh, I thought I was gonna get away with that. Dang it. Okay. That sucks. I thought I might have been able to get away with that. Anyway, so I need a hard drive, and this person wants 4 gigs of memory. So I need 4 gigs and a 1,500. So let's start with the storage. Okay, let's go 1,000. Not 100, 1,000. What? Oh, 1 terabyte. Oh, okay, yeah, I guess it's 1 terabyte. Yeah, I guess this is the cheap. 500 gigs. Here's the cheapest 1 terabyte, which is $60. There we go. So a whole terabyte, which is similar to the one that I have. I think it's a Seagate Barracuda as well, the one on my computer. So I'm not gonna buy that yet. I also need to add another I think I used my other stick of memory. Yeah. So I need to order some. I need to order a 2 gig stick. Price ascending. Add to cart. Cool. That's that setup. Is there any more computers that I need to fix? No. Does not look like it. Okay. Just gonna make sure I accepted all these. Cool. Now I need to make sure I place my order. Bye now. Then shut down my computer. Oh, it's pretty black in here. Pretty dark. End day. Go to work. Wow, these all want upgrades. Yeah, this one's going to be the most difficult, so I'm going to do this one here first, probably. I think that's the RAM. Yes, this one is... Oh, this is the hard drive. Okay. It's currently not plugged in, but that's fine, because my super awesome thing that automatically plugs in all the USBs is amazing. Okay, cool. Side panels off. Both side panels. Let's go ahead and remove the USB cable, or SATA data, and power. SATA data, SATA power. Sometimes I've seen them like come in like one connector, which is pretty cool. That's mainly on server computers. Oh wait, actually I just realized I didn't need to do that. Looks like I'm connecting to the graphics card, but I'm not. It's the Mobo. What? What? Stop it. There we go. Connect to Mobo. Connect to power supply. Okay. Yeah, it's a pretty cool game. I love it. It's pretty fun. Doing all this. Okay, cool. That's another computer fixed. So yeah, you get sort of like a flow once you're done. Okay, that's the sail away. I don't want to do that one. I want to do that one last because I don't know what I need for that. Whereas this one, they want me to run 3D Mark, which is annoying. It takes a lot of time. Okay, more RAM. They have a 2 gig. Giving them really bad RAM, but that's okay. Oh, what? My memory didn't arrive. What? I thought I ordered a 2 gig stick. What? I have 0 in my cart. Wait. There's memory. Ah, there it is. What? Okay. Oh, this... Oh. Why? Okay, that's weird. Wonder why. What's up with this one? Oh, this is DDR4. Maybe this stick's DDR3. Oh, I never thought about that. Oh, well, it's always good to have an extra stick of DDR4 lying around. Oh, no, they're both DDR4. I don't know why this one won't go in. They match exactly. strange. See, now it will work. Okay, that's weird. I think I just encountered a bug. See, now this one won't go in. Oh, is it because no, the memory tabs are open. Does it not want me to put two different types? Alright. I might have to do... Well, let's see. Did they want this one done by now? I'm sort of confused. Upgrade to 4. Okay, it doesn't say it has to be done now. It does say urgent, but it doesn't have an actual deadline, like some of them do. So I'm gonna add that to my cart. I'm gonna do same day shipping. Ooh, that's $100. 120 compared to 50. That's quite a big gap. Yeah, I think I'm gonna save that. I'll put this one on hold, and I'll do the sale one, so I know what I need for that. That's like over there's the finish. These are the ones I'm working on now. Okay. I'm going to just go ahead and remove the side panel, because I'm going to have to do that at some point anyway to upgrade it. Let's go ahead and power it on. It's good to hear that that is working, because sometimes they're still broken. Okay. Huh. Oh, I guess they like sailing that much. Okay. Oh, no, whoops. Ooh, no. Dang it, I forgot that. It's installing. No, I don't want to restart. Wait, where is can you run it? Or will it run? Not can you run it. Can you run it's a different program. Tools? Do I have to buy it? Aha, I do. Okay. So there's system info. That's $200 for will it run. Oh, you can overclock? Wow, CPU. Oh, that's cool. You can like overclock now. Okay. Alright, so I need to purchase that. I'll buy that now, and then I'm going to go memory, add to cart, add to cart. There we go. Oh, look at that. It's randomly there. Did they want a benchmark? No, I didn't. Okay. They want recommended spec. Yes. I will restart the computer. Alright, will it run? Feudal Fantasy, Flight Simulator. Which one was it? Sailor, Minecraft, Overwatch. Sail Away. Oh, it's exactly like it. Recommended spec. Oh, I just need 3 gigs of VRAM. Huh. Okay, so it needs a 1050 Ti. Okay. Where is it? Graphics cards. Oh, 1050 Ti. Add to cart. Alright. All right, well, that's gonna end it for this episode, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.